Now we are going to switch to an alert, then cancel the alert. Go back to our AUT, and the second button, click for JS confirm, is a confirmation alert. We see an OK and a cancel button for us to confirm the message. Let's automate these steps by clicking the cancel button. The result shows you clicked cancel. I'm going to copy and paste the code from information alert method to click the JS confirm button. We must change the list item from 1 to 2 because it's the second button in the list. We are still going to wait for the alert to become present, then sleep execution for 2 seconds so we can see the confirmation alert. Add a throws declaration. Exception. Change except to dismiss. Except is a method that clicks the OK button, while a dismiss is a method that clicks the cancel button. Keep the print statement and let's run. Switch to confirmation alert passed, and we see the print statement. You click cancel. Next, we are going to switch to a prompt alert, get text, and send text.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.